Hi everybody. Today we will be discussing about why reports are important for management and what are the reviews and decisions they will take. We will discuss. So what are the decisions they will take? They will first important thing is in mutual funds there are many schemes. Say there are closed-ended schemes. Closed-ended schemes will have a time limit of 3 years or 5 years, whatever. But in the case of some schemes, they have to review it and they have to close the schemes, or sometimes they have to launch a new scheme because of the necessity of the timing of the necessity, and also to expand the present operation. What is the operations now? They are operating in say 5 locations. So how to improve these the reachability to accessibility of the schemes of the fund house. So they have to open in different locations. What are the different locations they have to take? And also review of distribution network. What is the distribution network presently operating, and whether they have to expand these network operations, they have to see. And also now presently in these COVID times, the digital reach of the mutual funds have increased, so it has to be reviewed every time this. And what is the staff strength? Regarding these staff strength of the mutual funds, they have to review it, and they have to maintain at the same level, or else they have to increase or decrease, they will take. And also they have to implement the regulatory requirements. What are the regulatory enhancements are there? They have to implement. Recently SEBI has been very proactive in introducing some measures. They have introduced recently what you call is riskometer. So they have reviewed this, and the riskometer have been this. And also they have done a flexi fund instead of this multi cap fund. They have done is flexi cap fund, where mutual fund can invest across the across the cap funds. So it will be in small cap, mid cap, or large cap. They can invest. Flexi cap fund is there. And also they have restored the cutoff timing of the pre-COVID to the pre-COVID level. So they have there was a restriction on in the case of cutoff timing, that has been restored recently. Like that, these regulatory enhancements, how to implement and what is the timeline, they have to take a decision. And also there is an mergers and acquisitions. In the case of mergers and acquisitions, say Reliance has been taken over by Nippon Life Insurance. So it was renamed as Nippon India Fund. So like that, mergers and acquisitions can happen. And also they have to review the functioning of fund manager, fund accountant, and register and transfer agents, RNTA, and also auditors. So all these, what are the what you call constituents of the different wings of the mutual fund operations, they have to review. All these things is necessary. These reports are necessary for this. And also in the case of reports, there will be a timeline. It cannot be done as per their wish, but it has to be within the timeline. They have to reach the management. So what is the timeline, and whether it is being implemented across all these functions or not? And also how is the response to the mails? That is also very important. And what is the redressal mechanism implemented in the case of reports? And what is the processing going on, how the processing is going on, everything they have to. Any problems regarding this personal, regarding the system, or any functions, they have to problems, they have to take measures. They have to, any mitigation measures they have to take. They have to go into details and review them and implement. Thank you for watching this video, and also to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.